Hello, this is Mark LaRochelle from Productive Computing. Thanks for joining me on this video. Today we're talking about a tool that we released to the community. It's a complementary tool bundled in a course. It's called the FM Data Migration Assistant. And we're excited to announce that this tool is not only compatible with Macintosh Catalina, where we were experiencing some difficulty migrating data due to Catalina's security restrictions. That's all been resolved now. In addition, we have tested the solution to work with compatibility with FileMaker 19 or above based on what Claris has done to release their tool and update their tool. So if some of this sounds a little unfamiliar to you, you might want to learn more with a video that I've already posted here on YouTube explaining what these tools do, why they were created, and how they work. So to do that, you can check that out in a card window above here on this video or in the description below. To find out more about how to enroll in this course and to sign up for free, you can go to productivecomputinguniversity.com and enroll in the course called FM Data Migration Assistant. This will provide links to all the things we're talking about here, as well as our free tool that you can download and use on your own solutions in your own environment without any restrictions. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.